Hello, dear students. How are you all? Eat healthy food, stay home, and stay safe. Today, let us study English 2 lesson can. So, first of all, let us understand what does it mean. Can means the ability or possibility. I can speak English means I have the ability to speak English. I can swim means I have the ability to swim. So this is the definition given in your textbook, page number 54. We use can to say that someone is able to do something or knows how to do something. Like Gopi can carry 2 boxes, means Gopi has the ability to carry 2 boxes. Mary can type fast, means Mary has the ability to type fast. How do we make sentences using can? We use subject plus can. Like I, you, we, they, he, she, it plus can. So whether it's singular subject or plural subject, can remains same. I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you can, they can. We use subject plus can plus base form of verb. I can speak, he can speak, she can play. So here are some base form of verb which you have learned in lesson number 5. Find, fly, forget, get, give, go, grow, hit. Like I can find, birds can fly. We use only the base form of verb whenever we make sentences using can or can't. So he can speak English. He is subject, can is helping verb, and speak is the base form of verb. And we can also add object. Here object is English. He can speak English. It is correct. It will be wrong to say he can speaks English. We do not add es, s or ies when we use can. Usually, when we make sentences, simple present tense sentences with he, she, it, singular subject, we add es, s or ies with the base form of verb. But when we use can or can't, we do not add anything with the base form of verb. Let us read few sentences. I can speak English. Hello. You can ride a bike. He can drive a car. She can play the guitar. It can swim. You can play football. You can see the stars. They can dance. Now, how do we make negative sentences? When we make negative sentences, can becomes can't. Can't is the short form of cannot. Other thing all remains same. Subject plus can't plus base form of verb. So here are some negative sentences. Let us read. I can't speak Russian. I cannot speak Russian. He can't play tennis. He cannot play tennis. Again. I can't speak Russian. I cannot speak Russian. He can't play tennis. He cannot play tennis. Subject plus can't plus base form of verb. Uses of can't. When do we use can't? When we do not have the ability, like I can't swim, or when we do not have the permission. You can't use my pen. So here both affirmative and negative sentences written together, you can see whether it's singular or plural. In affirmative sentence, we use only the base form of verb, and in negative sentence, whether it's singular or plural, we use subject plus can't plus base form of verb. Whether it's negative or affirmative sentence, subject and base form of verb all remain same, only we change can becomes can't. Now uses of can in question. How do we make sentences using can or can't? When we do not have the ability, like can you speak Italian? Is it possible to make an offer Can I help you? To ask for permission, can we go home now? Or for giving instructions or requests, can you open the window please? But could is more polite than can. When we use can, we add please. Can you open the window please? Or you can say, could you open the window? One thing you have observed, like first we write can, then subject, then base form of verb. Can you speak Spanish? Can she ride a bike? Means before subject we write can whenever we make question sentences using can. Can you swim? Yes, I can. No, I can't. With this, I am end up my video. Hope you have understood. In my next video, we will do the exercises. Thank you and have a nice day.